Good afternoon, my name is Leonardo. The city's transport is Benin. Most of the vehicles are internal combustion, autocycle and diesel. They are also oil and backward vehicle and technology. And factory their imports in the food that is distributed in the country. Politicians have nowhere to improve automobile technology. We not put cars that run alternative fuel. This is though the corruption problem that exists in the country. The number of vehicles in the city as budgeted is too much. The point and the environmental alerts and the big guarantee because of the influence the pollution in the city air. This alert cause activities that reduce pollution and the situation for people. We need to have strict environmental policy and the intro transport technology in Bogota.